you know, when it comes to the end of the building process, who runs in the house and puts in the blinds? Who puts in the curtains? Who puts in the hardware? All those little jobs. Somebody's doing it. Somebody's doing it. But a lot of this stuff we have to take back out, even of brand new homes, and redo it. And now this guy wants to sell these big custom wooden shelf thing on YouTube as a video. And by the way, I was the one that wrote an Amazon article, and the whole world wants to do Amazon now. I swear to God, I play Lotto and the whole world's playing Lotto. I play Bigfoot and 20 million people are doing Bigfoot videos. It's pathetic. It is pathetic, people, and not one single one of them have a Bigfoot. Not seeing one single one of them have a DYI. Not seeing one single person has ever seen an alien. They might see little lights blinking around or whatever. 3 things that you have to remove when you're doing a home renovation. Popcorn ceiling. I did all the work. Blinds. Closet shelving. There's a whole lot of stuff going on when you do your home renovations. I removed all the popcorn off the ceiling, and it is a lot of work, and it is a mess. It takes hours and hours of work. You need lots of tarp. It will ruin all your flooring and everything else. So what you need to do is ask the homeowner to remove the popcorn ceiling or whatever type they're using currently. Now, the other thing you have to remove are these sliding outdoor patio doors in all the homes. You know, I do a lot of work here. I got my husky here. Oh, we have new t-shirts, folks. And it's a miracle that we're even allowed to have clothes online. Apparently there's a law set that if you have a misdemeanor that you can't work for 8 years now because of the company policies. And it's not a federal law. It's a national law that you are allowed to work. At first it was felonies, and now they're saying if you have a misdemeanor, you can't get a job at McDonald's for 8 years. But anyways, it's a miracle because of the clothes. You know, this is the stuff that people are saying. You can't buy clothes until they find out who your sponsor is. They hit all the retail stores very hard. Now, it is true that in some places, what happens to all the clothes? What happens to all the stuff? But anyways, you also have to do it in your home. You have to remove the stuff that they give you, like the shelving of the closets. So like we stated, they give you these ugly yellow shelves. And I don't know who's put it. So I did my whole home renovation project. All this other stuff going on in homes and people telling us, you know, what's going on, what are we going to do? But you can see the bright colors. So you have to remove the patio doors because people can break into them in about 20 seconds with a pallet jack. And they want to sell them in all the brand new homes. But as you can see, it's just real simple. Nice job on the paint. You can see the colors. We removed the popcorn ceiling. That stuff gets in your eyes all day long. You cannot put in recessed lighting when you have it. And the homeowner has to remove it when you go to buy a house. So not only do you get that ugly yellow closet shelving that they have, you know, these little tiny closet shelves, very skimpy, too low. They're not up there high enough. Just one standard. Recessed lighting is all the way around. You cannot get recessed lighting. With popcorn ceiling, the fans, they choose very low end fans. This is a nice outdoors type of let's see here. Yeah, it gets going. It's nice. It has a nice wick on it. It's like a Bahama design. It's very nice. This is the one that we chose. So we chose great products. We chose recessed lighting. I made new shelves, blinds that they give you. They're terrible. So anyway, so when it comes to our home renovation or home projects, you know, what we like to do is flipping around the models. A lot of the new homes, the single guy is kind of getting singled out here. And as we go and see our new t-shirts, it is a miracle. They're really nice and comfy. They have some new colors and designs. They're really, really nice. You get some nice colors. There's some orange. It's a nice gilded, soft comfy, not that that nasty stuff. They are silk screen, but they're nice. They're very nice. And there's different styles. You know, with all this stuff going on, I'm really surprised that people aren't out here supporting our country. But that's just the way it goes, you know. Anyways, so everybody's, you know, doing Amazon now. Everybody's doing Bigfoot. Everybody's doing DIY next, right? But what do they actually do? Now they're selling, some guys spending billions and billions or hundred thousands of dollars to run closet shelves because I posted one video on all of that stuff. But like I said, you know, I got my husky here. I did all the work and I'm very happy. I'm pleased that I know all this stuff and I really learned a lot about the homes. So really, people are out there getting paid. So what I say, the architects are flipping around the models. See, they're putting in a little 6x8 closet as a computer room. Then the kids' room is only 8 by 10 feet. And then the master bedroom is so small that you have to use the living room to live in. So then your living room or your office becomes the other room. The other room becomes the pantry. And then the extra room becomes the place where we put in the supplies. And that's all in all these cheaper homes. These architects, what they're building is they're like skimping out in certain areas. What does it take really to get 3 big rooms and 2.5 baths? And if you do, they want to put in smartphones and technology, and they're already trying to put in solar panels and remote control flying ducks in Hannon Park. They already got apps for buses. I mean, these computers, I wonder how the rich kids sitting up there in a mansion, you know. But anyways, I'm over it. I really am. But as far as the work I did, it is all been pretty much complete. We also did our bathroom, which I'm going to show you and you're really going to like. I have some great information for you about how the local places, they can't even get the tiles right to match. They have big tiles. Everybody knows you have to have small tiles to walk in the bathroom. So wait till you see that one. And you're going to see just how much stuff goes on. Oh yeah, and even those AC vents, those are right up